Hi everybody, I'm back again with another scale tutorial, this time having a look at the C sharp melodic minor scale, which is also a relative minor version of the E major scale. For the scale, we'll be observing 4 accidentals: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp, but since we are doing the melodic, we know that ascending will be raising the 6th and 7th degrees of the scale, meaning that we will actually be playing A sharp and again B sharp, enharmonically spelled as C, when we ascend, and when we descend, we'll just be observing the original key signature. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about it, your experiences with playing scales. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and check out the rest of my tutorials as well, which is available on my channel. Right, as usual, we'll be jumping in and doing the 1 octave scale first, right hand, then left hand. Starting with the right hand, we are going to use 2 different fingerings, one for ascending and one for descending. Ascending, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. Coming down, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. So at the top here, very important to note the change in our fingering and change in our position in order to continue with the scale descending. For the left hand, starting on my 3rd finger, 4 over, 3, thumb on B, again noting right here at the top of the scale the stretch and movement that we have to do. Doing these hands together. Both 3rd fingers, thumb, 2 thumb. These scales require a little bit more coordination to get them right. Moving on to 2 octaves, right hand first. Very easy. Remembering the 3rd finger. 3rd fingers, 4 over. For the left hand. Very easy going up. Now remembering 3, thumb. Playing these hands together. Both 3rd fingers. Since I'm taking this from Hanon, I am going to play this 4 octaves as well with a repeat. Again, movement between the keys are very, very important here. It's very, very easy to lose stability if we're not exactly sure of how our thumbs and how our hands need to move when the distances between our keys changes. Practice hands separately first, slowly put it hands together, get that movement underneath your fingers or into your finger memory before you attempt to speed things up. As an optional, we have the cadence or the cadential progression again, and this one works exactly the same as the harmonic minors version. Let's have a look at this again. So, ending on C sharp, my left hand's going to come up one octave onto F sharp. I'm going to have D sharp, A, and C sharp. Left hand moves to G sharp, E, G sharp, and C sharp in the right. Now I'm going to have B sharp, which is C, C, F sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. Inside the keys, an octave down for the left. And finally, we're going to move back to C sharp, E, G sharp, and C sharp again for the right. And that is the C sharp melodic minor scale. Thanks again for watching, and check out the other scale and Hanon tutorials within this series.